And now let's hyper-hamper-camper-flummoxifolicationalize this week's
Idiot Extraordinaire!
And it's yet another one for RFK Jr., and I guess he's just gonna keep racking them up until someone comes to their senses and removes him from his position. He's been a long-time proponent of the just as long debunked claim that childhood vaccines can cause autism. He can't prove it, so instead he decided to shift the burden of proof by changing the CDC website to say, "The claim vaccines do not cause autism is not an evidence-based claim because studies have not ruled out the possibility that infant vaccines cause autism." I guess we also haven't ruled out alien space lasers either. As we've covered, autism is a genetic disorder. Vaccines are postnatal. There's not even an opportunity for overlap. Or how about the claim that it was caused by thimerosal in the vaccines? We took out thimerosal and it made no difference. He also added that health authorities have ignored the studies supporting the link. Gee, that couldn't have anything to do with those studies being proven fraudulent, could it? The horrible baby killers at Children's Health Defense touted the victory, saying, "The CDC is beginning to acknowledge the truth about this condition that affects millions, disavowing the bold, long-running lie that vaccines do not cause autism." So, when the government concludes something you don't like, it's political, and when you maneuver your person in there to change it arbitrarily, suddenly it's acknowledging the truth. You can't trust the government unless it agrees with us. He has also claimed that Tylenol taken by pregnant women can cause autism, a claim backed up by absolutely no scientific evidence whatsoever. Hopefully this will make everyone learn the lesson, because as we've covered, this isn't just with RFK Jr. and vaccines. Another example is the psycho ambulance chasers at Prop putting misinformation about opioids and addiction into the 2016 opioid guidelines, resulting in the torture and death of an incalculable number of pain patients. And the FDA says vaping is just as bad as smoking, and the WHO says Wi-Fi causes cancer. By saying studies have not ruled out the possibility that infant vaccines cause autism, they're really saying we're a bunch of morons who have no clue how science, logic, and reason works. As we've covered, autism is a side effect and a necessary aspect of the reason humans are as intelligent as we are. The root cause of autism happened millions of years ago, and if it didn't, we'd likely be a little smarter than chimpanzees, if that. Which, well, it seems some of us are anyway. But if you think the CDC was some sort of gold standard for scientific accuracy before RFK Jr., well, you might be just as dumb as he is. So all of that makes RFK Jr. this week's
Idiot Extraordinaire!